A great battle took place between the English and the Scots just 1 mile from Rosslyn Castle. Edward I of England had claimed to be the overlord of Scotland and was treating the nation like it was one of his feudal vassals. A guerrilla army rose up to fight for independence. On February 24, 1303, the Scots, numbering 8,000, in the dead of night attacked a much larger English army of 30,000. The Scots on horseback surprised the overconfident English, and a massacre took place, with the Scots winning. It is said that during the battle, one of the Scots came across an English knight who had a huge war hound. Hand-to-hand combat ensued between the English knight and the Scot, until finally the Englishman was killed. The dog sprang up and began to ferociously attack the Scotsman. Struggling, he threw the dog off of him and killed the dog, falling next to his master. The story goes that the same night, the Scottish troops came to rest at Rosslyn Castle. When night came upon them, the specter of a hound appeared, snarling and growling. Horror came over the group. The great hound continued to appear night after night in the castle. The soldiers at the castle all had to take turns keeping guard, and eventually the task fell upon the man who was the one who killed the English knight and his hound. The soldier walked the halls of the castle, holding the keys tightly in his hand, patrolling. The ghost of the angry beast appeared before him, teeth bared, barking and baying at the man who killed both him and his master. The soldier ran in horror as fast as he could away from the ghostly hound. It is said that the soldier never uttered another word and died 3 days later. The ghostly hound had his revenge and left the castle forever. Some say, on dark and rainy nights, you can still hear the barking of a large dog around the grounds.